Hey guys, it's Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you guys my routine for keeping my braids as neat as possible. I just got these braids last week and I'm just going to show you how I maintain the edges and the raggedy ends. So for my edges, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Moisture Infusion Edge Control from their Pure Honey line. And the reason I chose to use this particular edge control is A, because of the smell. I really like sweet smells, and this one definitely has a good one. And the consistency of this edge control isn't too heavy, so it keeps my edges laid down without making them hard or leaving any type of buildup. Granted, my edges are kind of soft, but they leave a really good hold for the entire day for me. So don't judge me, I really don't know how to do intricate edges. I just really wanted to lay them down and brush them back. So I'm just using a little bit of the edge control with a soft brush. So I'm only going to let my edges set under this scarf for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, and in the meantime, work on my ends. Now for my ends, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Curl Quench Foaming Mousse from the Coconut Milk line. Everyone knows I love this line, but I really love this mousse. I used it for a Flexi rod set that I did about a year ago. I'll drop the link in the description box using this mousse, and it came out so perfect. So I chose to use it on the ends of my braids just because I noticed that they were getting a little tangled and just stuck together and dry. So I just raked this through the ends of my braids, and it kind of re-wet them and allowed them to set in a better condition. So after my ends are finished, I just take the scarf off my edges and establish my little braid part. Recently I've been just wearing most of my hair on the left side and the rest on the right. I think it looks really cute. But yeah, that's basically all I do for my braids. If you've ever had knotless braids, let me know if you think they're better than box braids. Thanks for visiting my channel, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.